Welcome po sa BIMS App Tutorial 18. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang BIMS Knowledge Base tile ng BIMS App. Ang BIM's Knowledge Base ay nagsisilbing documentation and reference portal ng BIM system. Dito makikita ang mga guide, explanations, module references, button descriptions, system behavior notes, and important reminders para sa iba't ibang parts ng application. Sa main dashboard, makikita natin ang tile na BIM's Knowledge Base. Kapag binuksan ito, dadalhin tayo sa BIM Server Documentation Portal. Sa left side ng page, makikita ang navigation panel ng BIMS Docs. Meron itong back to dashboard button para madaling bumalik sa main screen. Meron ding search documentation box para mabilis maghanap ng topic, module, section, or command. Below the search box, makikita ang listahan ng documentation categories. These may include items such as AIP activity, AIP program, AIP reference, AIP sector, annual budget, asset categories, asset depreciation, asset maintenance, asset places, assets, balance sheet, and many more. Ang purpose ng knowledge base ay tulungan ang users na maintindihan kung ano ang ginagawa ng bawat module, button, section, and workflow inside BIMS. Sa main documentation area, makikita ang selected topic. Halimbawa, kapag nakaselect ang AIP activity, lalabas ang related documentation such as active filter, active or inactive status toggle, and other section-specific guides. Each documentation entry may explain several important things. Una, what the button or section does. Pangalawa, how it works. Pangatlo, important reminders or system behavior na dapat tandaan ng user. For example, sa active filter, ipinapaliwanag na this button filters the table to display only active records. It helps users focus on currently usable planning records and improves navigation by temporarily hiding inactive activities. Mayroon ding important section na nagsasabi na filtering affects only the visible table view and inactive records remain preserved for historical consistency. This is very useful because BIMS has many modules and workflows. Instead na magtanong palagi or maghanap sa external documents, the user can check the built-in knowledge base for guidance. The knowledge base also supports consistency. Kapag ang bawat button and section ay documented, mas madaling maintindihan ng users kung ano ang expected behavior ng system. This is helpful not only for barangay personnel, but also for trainers, system administrators, reviewers, and future developers who need to understand the structure of BIMS. In summary, ang BIMS Knowledge Base tile ay designed para maging built-in learning and reference center ng BIMS app. It helps users understand modules, buttons, filters, status toggles, workflows, important reminders, and system rules. It also supports training, troubleshooting, documentation, and user familiarization. At this point, natapos na natin ang 18-tile introduction videos ng BIMS app. Ang next phase naman ay ang detailed how-to video tutorials kung saan isa-isahin natin ang actual steps for each module and workflow. For now, ito muna ang overview ng BIMS Knowledge Base tile. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com. Tapos, i-click ang Launch BIMS app button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.